Meaning of Harlequin.
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 Harlequin. The word harlequin refers to a character popular in traditional Italian comedy. It is typically associated with a jester or clown who wears a diamond-patterned costume and black mask. In modern language, the term is also used to describe something that is multicolored or variegated, often with a diamond pattern. Figuratively, harlequin can refer to someone who is comically ridiculous or frivolous. Overall, the term carries connotations of humor, whimsy, and playful mischief.